Sage 200 Mobile is a new free application that helps you keep in touch with your business information wherever you are using your iPhone, iPad or BlackBerry. It's a quick and easy way to get information about your cash position, sales, stock levels and projects whenever you need it without having to call back to the office, leave an important meeting or wade through piles of reports. With your financial details at your fingertips whenever you need them, it's easy to keep an eye on what's going on in your business. For sales teams, it means easy access to customer details. Check office locations on the road, view order history, credit limits and any outstanding issues so you go into meetings well prepared with the facts at hand. If you deal with stock, Sage 200 Mobile puts your inventory at your fingertips so you can check what's in, what's due for delivery and how much you're holding. Select your favorite views and the information you need is in the palm of your hand quickly and simply. Just a few examples of the freedom that Sage 200 Mobile offers your business. It's flexible enough to offer much more, so you can tailor the information to each individual or business role and access the critical business information you need in seconds. Sage 200 Mobile, helping you stay better connected.